But quickly switch across to the commodities and what's happening over there. Kishore Namne joins in for that. Kishore, let's start off with crude. Got quite a cut on Friday. How are you guys approaching crude now, and with what kind of targets?
I think, Mithali, we are looking at somewhere close to $90 as some kind of a support for WTI crude, because with the kind of OPEC leaving no room for any production cuts at this point of time, and the US continue to produce more and more barrels of crude. So I think in India, probably one can sell MCX below 5180 kind of levels. One can look at target close to 5100. 5250 could be a good stop loss for the day.
How about gold and silver? What's the trade there?
Even gold looks slightly sluggish at this point of time, but I would like to wait for a breakdown, critical technical breakdown for gold to sell. Both gold and silver has gone into a sideways movement for the last couple of weeks, and typically these have been guided by the currency moves, and most of the currencies, including Japanese yen and the euro, has been consolidating at this point of time. So in India, if it breaks 26,800, the August gold could be seen as a selling opportunity for targets close to 26,300 kind of levels. A stop loss of 27,200 should be working fine.
Okay, Kishore, thanks for that. That's a couple of commodity strategies. The market's not in a great place. It's not losing too much ground, but you can sense that there's a bit of a tug to the downside today. So 59.70 on the Nifty, market breadth is turned negative. Autos getting hit quite hard. In fact, Bajaj Auto is now down 3.5%.